You ever get to the end of a long day, you look at everything you did, but you still feel like you accomplished nothing? You've been busy, you've been running around, but the one important thing you needed to do is still sitting there. You've been sold a lie. That if you just wake up earlier or buy a different planner, you'll suddenly have more time. But here's the brutal truth: you can't manage time. It's like trying to stop a river with your bare hands. It just keeps moving. The real problem isn't your schedule, it's your attention. In this video, I'm going to give you the cheat code to get out of this problem. It's a mindset shift so powerful it will stop you from giving away your life to things you wouldn't even pay $1 for. Let's be real. Does this sound familiar? Your to-do list is a mile long, you're constantly in motion, but you aren't getting any closer to what actually matters. So you tell yourself the same thing everyone does: I just don't have enough time. That phrase is a trap. It's a comforting lie our brain tells us to avoid a much harder truth. The problem isn't a lack of time, it's that we're giving it away for free. We say we don't have time for the big project, but our brain always finds time to scroll, to watch one more video, to do anything that gives it a tiny hit of immediate reward. Your brain isn't just letting time slip away, it gets addicted to the easy stuff. And before you know it, you're not losing time, you're willingly trading it for nothing. The fundamental mistake is thinking you can control the clock. You can't. Time moves at the exact same speed whether you're locked in and focused or completely distracted. The real enemies are distraction, indecision, and procrastination. And procrastination isn't a time management problem. It's an emotional management problem. It's a glitch in our wiring. You avoid a task not because you're lazy, but because it triggers a feeling you don't want: anxiety, boredom, self-doubt. So your brain runs towards an easy distraction, just like it runs from a threat. Think of it this way: time is a mirror. It doesn't judge. It just reflects your habits, your discipline, and what you truly prioritize. Your calendar shows you the truth, even the truth you try to hide from yourself. If you spend your time on things that don't matter, your life will be about things that don't matter. So what's the solution? It starts with facing a few brutal truths. First, the truth about being busy. You're not busy, you're distracted. Just because you're moving doesn't mean you're going anywhere. We think running around makes us productive, but if you don't know your one true priority, your day is just noise. Our brains are not wired to multitask. That's a myth. We're just rapidly switching from one thing to another, and every single switch costs focus and energy. This is why a focused person can achieve in 2 hours what a distracted person can't get done in a whole day. Your enemy isn't the clock. It's the 1,000 tiny interruptions you allow to steal your attention. Second, the truth about your to-do list. If everything is a priority, nothing is. Your to-do list is probably a trap. It's designed to make you feel good by checking off easy, low-impact tasks, while the one thing that could change everything gets pushed to tomorrow, then the next day, and the next. The art of real productivity is learning what to ignore. It's about having the guts to say no. Instead of a list of 20 things, I challenge you to identify the one task that, if you completed it, would make today a win. Just one. And you protect the time for that task like your life depends on it. Third, the truth about getting started. Motivation is a myth. Discipline is real. Stop waiting to feel like it. Motivation is a feeling, and feelings are temporary. They come and they go. The people you admire aren't motivated 24/7. They're disciplined. They show up when it's hard. They show up when they're bored. They show up when they don't feel like it at all. They know a secret. Action happens before motivation. The doing comes first. The feeling comes second. Your job isn't to find motivation. It's to build a system and show up. If these truths are hitting home and you are ready to stop making excuses, I need you to do one thing. Smash that subscribe button right now. It's the first step to telling your brain you're taking back control. The good news is, the mindset that traps you is also the cheat code to get out. Here is the single most important mindset shift you can make. Start treating your time like it's cash. It is your most valuable currency, and it's non-renewable. Once you spend an hour, it's gone forever. Think about it. You're protective of your money. You wouldn't just hand a stranger $100 because they asked for it. Yet we let pointless meetings, endless scrolling, and random requests steal hours of our one irreplaceable life. From now on, put every single request for your time through this one simple test. Ask yourself, if this cost me $100 out of my own pocket, would I still do it? Would you pay $100 to sit in that pointless meeting? Would you pay $100 to scroll on social media for an hour? If the answer is no, then you have your real answer. Decline it, delegate it, or delete it. This one question will force you to see the truth about where your life is going. Look, nobody is coming to save you. Nobody is going to guard your focus for you or fix your schedule. You are responsible. It's not about time running out, it's about your life running out. Every minute is a choice. Every hour is a chance to build the life you actually want. So let's make a choice right now. What is the one distraction, the one time waster you are committed to cutting out this week? Leave a comment below. Let's hold each other accountable and start winning back our lives.